You act as if you will live forever. You postpone your happiness, your courage, and your truth for a tomorrow that is never guaranteed. We spend our days chasing shadows, distracted by trivialities, while the only certainty in life, death, is ignored. But what if the thought of your end wasn't a curse, but the greatest gift you could ever receive? What if knowing that your time is running out is exactly what you need to finally start living? Welcome back to Inner Depth Studio. Here, we look back at ancient wisdom to navigate the modern chaos. Today, we explore the most profound and misunderstood principle of Stoicism, Memento Mori. We are going to learn how the shadow of death can bring light to your life. In ancient Rome, when a general returned from a great victory in a parade, a servant would stand behind him, whispering a single phrase into his ear: Memento Mori. Remember that you are mortal. Even in his moment of highest glory, the leader was reminded that he is but a man, and that his time, like everyone else's, is borrowed. This is not a morbid obsession with darkness. It is a tool for clarity. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, constantly reminded himself, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. When you embrace Memento Mori, the internal citadel becomes unshakable. Why? Because you stop fearing the small things. The insults, the social pressure, the anxiety of the future, they all dissolve when put against the reality of your inevitable end. Death is the ultimate filter. It removes the noise and leaves only the essence. Imagine your life as a vessel of water. Every second, a drop falls out. You don't know how much is left, but you know that once it's gone forever. Most people live as if the vessel is infinite. They waste their drops on anger, on gossip, on living someone else's life. But a Stoic treats every drop as sacred. Memento Mori forces you to ask the hard questions. If this was my last day, would I be doing what I am doing now? Would I be holding this grudge? Would I be afraid to speak my truth? By accepting your mortality, you gain a superpower: urgency. You stop waiting for the perfect time because you realize the perfect time is a myth. The only time you truly own is this present moment, this very breath. Do not fear the end. Use it as a compass. Let the reality of death push you toward a life of meaning, virtue, and love. Amor fati and Memento Mori are two sides of the same coin. Love your fate because your time is precious. When you look at the hourglass, don't see an ending. See a reminder to be present, to be kind, to be brave. Because the version of you being built in the dark, the one who understands the value of time, is the only version that will truly leave a legacy. If you are ready to stop wasting your time and start living with purpose, leave the word "now" in the comments below. Let us know that you have heard the call. Don't forget to subscribe to join our community of seekers. This is Inner Depth Studio. Your time is now. Keep seeking.